Well, following my last video with those head bolts, where somebody had scammed Autodoc and put their used head bolts back in the box and sent them back to Autodoc, and then that's what I got when I ordered head bolts. Anyway, Autodoc were great. Showed them pictures and a little video, and I was ordering some more stuff anyway. I was ordering an oil pump, water pump, timing kit, some seals and stuff. So they've hopefully just put the replacement head bolts in this box. I think that was the plan. Got serpentine belt, accessory belt, whatever. Front main seal or rear main seal or something. I think I should have a few of those. Can't remember. Maybe 6 of them. I think they're intake manifold gaskets, so there should be 6 of them. Time chain kit, lovely jubbly. Now you see, the last packet didn't have that on it, did it? And also it was a bit dirty, so this is a bit more promising. I'm guessing maybe, I don't know, maybe they've opened it and had a look, because it doesn't have a sealing label, does it? Whereas the other one had a label sealing it. But the scammers had still been in and swapped everything. Where have I put my knife? That's better. So they do still have oil on them, but that's okay. I sort of half expected that. But you can see, you know, even a lot of brand new bolts will have machine oil on them. But yeah, that's all good. Lovely. I've got more stuff to order really. All the heads off, I'm going to do the valve stem seals. I think that's for the oil cooler. Can't quite remember. That'll be a water pump. The metal impeller. A rather expensive oil pump, but I think that's because it's more than just an oil pump. It's a vacuum pump at the same time. Tandem pump. 280 quid for this one. 480 from BMW. Alright, there we go, all good. Thanks Autodoc.